Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Exam Study Zone. In today's video, I am going to talk about what is retail marketing. As we know that in today's rapidly evolving marketplace, effective retail marketing is not merely a strategy, it is a necessity for success. So friends, without further ado, let's embark on this journey through the world of retail marketing, where innovation, creativity and customer centricity are the driving forces behind success. So let's get started. So what is the meaning of retail marketing? Retail marketing refers to the strategies and activities that retailers use to promote and sell their products or services to consumers. It involves various elements such as product placement, pricing, advertising, store design, and customer service to attract and engage customers, ultimately driving sales and building brand loyalty. So what is the goal of retailers behind this? The goal is to meet customer needs while maximizing profitability. Now friends, let's talk about key aspects of retail marketing. First one is product promotion. Retailers showcase their products through various means such as in-store displays, advertising, online marketing and social media to create awareness and interest among potential customers. Second one is store design and layout. The physical layout and design of retail stores are carefully planned to optimize the shopping experience, guiding customers through the store and promoting product visibility. Third one is pricing strategies. Retailers set prices that consider factors like cost, competition, and perceived value. They may use tactics like discounts, bundling, or seasonal pricing to attract customers. Fourth one is customer engagement. Retailers aim to connect with customers through exceptional customer service, personalized experiences, and loyalty programs. Engaged customers are more likely to return and make repeat purchases. Next one is advertising and promotions. Retail marketing often involves advertising campaigns, both online and offline, as well as special promotions or events to draw customers to the store or website. Now next one is OmniChannel marketing. In the digital age, retail marketing extends beyond physical stores to encompass online sales channels, mobile apps, and e-commerce websites, creating a seamless shopping experience across different platforms. Now this point is very important, that is market research. Retailers gather and analyze data about consumer behavior and preferences to tailor their marketing strategies, product offerings and customer service. Now next one is brand building. Retail marketing contributes to brand development and recognition, helping retailers establish a strong brand identity and reputation. So friends, in essence, retail marketing is about understanding and satisfying customer needs while creating a positive shopping experience, ultimately leading to increased sales and customer loyalty. It is a dynamic field that evolves with changes to consumer behavior and technology, making it essential for retailers to adapt and innovate to stay competitive. So friends, that's for all today. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching friends and have a good day.